Hi, this is Paul Panett. Welcome to day 3 of phase 2. Um, Today's tutorial is how to sort and organize your data that you're receiving from your check-in sheets. So here we have some data um, that's been generated by the form that we've sent our students. So I'm going to make a copy. Now that this is a workbook, and I can add additional sheets to my workbook. So I'm down here under form responses, and I want to make a copy of that. Actually, I'm going to duplicate it. I'm not making a copy. And now I have the data duplicated from the original form. That way, if I make a mistake here, I'm not going to lose all my data. My goal here is to create a sheet for each day, sorted by period. So I'm going to make sure that all of my data here is sorted by dates. I'm going to sort by this column, which is the timesheet A to Z. So I've got all of my um, data here sorted by date, and I'm going to scroll down to 331, and I'm going to um, make a duplicate of this. So I'm going to right click, duplicate. Now what I'm going to do with this sheet, I'm going to rename this March 30th 20, and this one is going to be right click, rename 3/31/20, and let's start here. So I am going to delete all of the 31s. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to just select that column with the numbers in it, and I'm going to go down to the end, and I'm going to just right click, and I'm going to delete those rows. So now these are all my 330s. And then I want to sort them by classroom. So I am going to click up here in this little empty square, and that'll select everything. I'm going to go to data. I'm going to go to sort range, header row, because we have a header row. I'm going to do that. Now I can sort it by what class are you in, or this is by class. So now I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to sort, add another sort by last name, and I'm going to select sort, and now my students are sorted alphabetically by class for 330. We're going to do the same thing for 331. I'm going to click here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete, I'm going to start at the top. Once again, I'm going to click in the column with the numbers, and I'm going to go all the way down to 330. Select all the 330s. Okay, make sure we end there. Right click, delete, and now I've got all the 331s in the 331 tab. I'm going to sort them again. I'm going to click here, select all, go to data, sort range. Data has header row. We already have it sorted by date, so we're going to select class first, add another option to sort, last name, sort, and here they are sorted by class and by last name. All right, it looks like it worked. So hopefully this will help you to keep your data organized as we continue with this process. We're going to be collecting a lot more. So this is just one way of doing it. I hope it helps you. Be safe and have a good day.